Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to increase damage per second or DPS on Destiny 2. The best weapons for high DPS are Cold Comfort. It is a powerful rocket launcher in Destiny 2, known for its aggressive frame and stasis-infused capabilities. It excels in both PvE and PvP activities, offering perks like Impulse Amplifier and Explosive Light. Now, Succession. The Succession sniper rifle is a high-impact weapon perfect for precision shots, especially against bosses. This weapon is obtained in the Deep Stone Crypt raid in Destiny 2 on Europa and can drop during the second encounter. The Hot Head. The Hot Head is an ARC rocket launcher known for its powerful perks, making it a solid addition to your weapon roster, obtained through various in-game activities like strikes, nightfall, and specific raids. The Apex Predator is a rocket launcher from Destiny 2 known for its significant damage potential and adaptability, ideal for high-level PvE activities. Divinity. Divinity is an exotic trace rifle that boasts team DPS through its unique perk, Judgment. When taking damage, Divinity creates a critical hit bubble on the target, increasing vulnerability to all attacks and enhancing the damage dealt by your firearm. Finally, the Parasite is an exotic grenade launcher from Destiny 2 with two unique perks, Warm Byproduct and the longer the projectile stays in the air, and the Worm's Hunger increases explosion as it lingers. Ideal for group enemy encounters, this weapon can be acquired by completing the Witch Queen expansion questline. And that's it guys. Would you like to continue with more information about these weapons or others from Destiny 2? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and now I'll see you on the next one.